Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to compare the Tapo C510W and the Tapo C520WS. Which one is better? As you can see, if you're going for price and you're capped at price, obviously you need to go for this one. But if you don't have any price limit, as you can see, we're on the specifications. Focal length, this one has slight more, and then both of them support the audio speaker, but the pan and tilt on the WS is programmed. Supported protocols and everything is same. Sensors, all of this is same, but for the C520WS, their night vision has slight more color accuracy, not slight more, I would say better color accuracy, and they also have this PIR sensor which is not available over here. As you can see, they have only two spotlights, but they have the white LEDs. And next up, as you can see, this can only track of a moving object or recognize a person, but this one recognizes a person, vehicle or animal. And then tamper alarm is also available for the WS. The WS can also be connected through LAN, which is not possible in W. So if you have only the Wi-Fi, then obviously it's not a problem, but if you have only LAN, then you gotta go with this one. As you can see, all these features are same, but this has private mode, which is not in the 510W. And then last but not the least, as you can see, this is 4 MP, but this is 3 MP, and then frame rate, this is slightly higher. So if you have to go for one, I would say obviously go for this one. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.